Hey, I'm Ingrid, and I like to share with you the new LIPOSOME Time Retreat Radiance Essence. I've never used an essence before, but this one gives me that youthful glow, and it's a bit different. It has retinol in it, but like most retinols to stay in the top layer of your skin, this one is encapsulated so it penetrates deep underneath the layer of my skin and causes absolutely no irritation at all. It's absolutely amazing. So let me show you how I use it. It's quick and easy. I use it after my LIPOSOME cleanser morning and night. And then I just pour a few drops into the palms of my hand. And it has this really light, watery texture to it. Rub my palms together and I just gently pat it onto my face. I love the smell of it. It smells like herbal. It's amazing. And it also has a secret ingredient in it called the Plant of Beauty, which helps give me that youthful glow. I mean, isn't that what we all want? And it's quick and easy, just like that. You can follow up with a serum or a moisturizer of your choice or face oil. I especially love the LIPOSOME Radiance Face Oils. It's amazing. And that's what keeps me radiant.